Hi, I'm Kara Sakina, and I want to thank you for joining us for our master moment today. Today we're talking about the letter T, okay? T is going to stand for team, right? I think you know everything there is to know about team. But one of the things I want to talk about is that you cannot go further by yourself than you can with a team. Okay? Oftentimes when we look at our team, we get people that look like us, that think like us, and to make us comfortable. But what you need to think about with your team is who can complement me? Who may know an area that I may not know? Who can I put in my team toolkit that can take us further than I can go by myself? One of the things that I've learned when I put together teams, I work with teams all over the world, different personalities, different cultures, and one of the things I do first is look for skills that I don't currently possess on my current team, okay? After I look for those skills, then I look for the right kind of personality, who is going to be able to catch the vision, who can, they may not be excitable like I am, or they may be more quiet and reserved. That's okay. But what I want to do is identify ways that they can actually benefit the team, but how can we benefit that person? When you are showing people that you are interested in them becoming a better them, in the process of we becoming a better we, as we build this team, you are going to have people that are going to be hungry and thirst after your vision. You're going to get people who are excited to work with you, that brag on working with you. Pretty soon, you're not going to be able to contain the amount of people that want to actually work with you. So let's not be selfish when we think about a team. Let's always, first of all, identify skills that we don't have that would be complementary to us. Look at the personality type and if they're willing to catch the vision. But most importantly, what can you sow into that person's life to make them be a better person and want to be a part of your team? Thank you for this master moment.